Hi guys, in our previous video we showed you how to install the casement window seal for the portable air conditioner. In this case we installed it outside of the apartment and we had a lot of questions since a lot of people don't have access to the windows from the outside, and today we'll show you how to do it from the inside. Here we have our air conditioner and this is the exhaust pipe, and this is how it looks right now with the seal being installed on the outside. Right now I will remove the pipe, I will remove the exterior seal, and we will install the new one. The new one, the Velcro tape will go on the frame like this, and it will go on the window this way, and this will allow us to install the seal on the inside. Here we have our window seal kit. This one is 4 meters long, 400 centimeters. Right now I will explain why we chose the 4 meters in case if you haven't seen our previous video. You have to measure the 4 sides of the window frame and then add all these numbers together. So in this case, the top is going to be 62 centimeters, same with the bottom 62, and our sides are going to be roughly 127 centimeters. So when you add all these numbers together, you get 378 centimeters, which is less than the 400, the length of our material, which means that it will work in this case. If you have a larger window, you might have to look for a material that's, for example, 4.5 meters long or 5 meters long. In the set we have the material itself. It is waterproof, and we have the Velcro strap. The next step will be to clean the frame and the window where our tape will be installed. Right now I will remove the protective film from our Velcro tape, and now we can attach it to the window frame first. So in this case it will go this way. I will install it around these things like this, and just go all the way down. Tape is quite sticky. And now I will use the scissors to cut off the tape. Repeat the same procedure on all 4 sides. Our frame is done. This is our Velcro tape again, and now we will install tape on the window itself. On the window we have 2 handles, and we have to avoid them when we install the tape. We cannot run the tape on this side because it will block our window seal, so we have to run the tape on the side with this rubber seal. So the idea will be the same. Just carefully apply the tape this way. This way our handle will still work, and we will be able to install the seal. I have finished installing the tape on the window, and this is how it looks now. All 4 sides, 2 handles. This is how much tape we have left after the installation, and I'll show you guys that when we don't have the window seal installed, we can still completely close the window even with the Velcro tape attached to the frame. Our seal consists of 2 sides, the narrow side and the wide side. The wide side will be attached to the frame, and the narrow side will be attached to the window. So in this case, this is still our wide side. I will start from approximately the middle, right here, and start attaching the seal to the frame. First, I will go all around. All the way, and this will be the extra. This is the difference between the 400 centimeters and the perimeter of our window. You can use tape to seal it over here as well. And now we can attach our window side, the narrow side. Start from here and basically repeat the whole process this way. And here, as you can see, now we are avoiding the door handles. And keep going until you reach the end. It's almost done. Now we can open our window, and as you can see, this will allow us to have this opening now for our exhaust pipe, which will go this way. And now we can close the gap, and basically our installation is complete. I'll just quickly show you guys again how it seals all four sides of the window. And now we can turn our AC on, and now the hot air will go outside, and we have, oh yes, we have the cold air now blowing from our air conditioner, and this way it will cool the room faster, and it will save us some money on our electrical bill as well. If you want to close the window with the window sill being on, I mean, it's still possible, but to a point. You have to pull it inside like this, and then it will close. But the problem is, if you want to close the window, it might damage the material. So I would be very careful with that, and if you want to close the windows, I would actually remove the window sill material and close them that way. And this is how our window sill looks like from the outside of the window. Our installation is complete. Thank you guys for watching. I hope this will help you to install the window sill from the inside of the room. If you want to see how it's done from the outside, we have this video as well. I will leave you a link in the description, and I will also leave you the link for the window sill as well, in case if you need one of those. So again, thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.